In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively contact Google AdSense support. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive in. If you're experiencing an issue with your Google AdSense account, reaching out for help can sometimes feel daunting. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into your AdSense account. Simply head over to the official Google AdSense website. Once you're on the homepage, enter your credentials to sign in to the account that's giving you trouble. This is crucial because you won't be able to access support for your account if you're not logged in. After you've logged in, look toward the top right corner of your dashboard. There you should see a little icon that resembles a question mark. This is the help icon. Clicking it will take you to the support section, where you can find a plethora of articles and resources designed to help you with common issues. Now, as you scroll through this section, you'll notice a variety of suggested help articles. They're helpful, but if they don't quite address your unique situation, don't worry, keep scrolling down. Eventually, you'll come across a link or button that says Contact Us. This is the gateway to getting direct support from the AdSense team. When you click on that Contact Us link, the next step involves checking for available contact methods. Depending on your account status, specifically your earning history and overall activity, you may qualify for different support options. One of the most effective ways to get immediate help is through live chat. If your account is eligible, you'll see the live chat option listed among the contact methods. Once you locate the live chat option, go ahead and click that button. Here's a pro tip. Before starting the chat, make sure you have your details ready. This includes your publisher ID, any error messages you've encountered, or specifics about payment issues. Having this information at hand will not only speed things up, but also make it easier for the representative to assist you. As the chat session begins, you'll be connected with a support representative. Don't worry if you feel nervous, they're there to help you. Clearly explain your issue and be as detailed as possible. If you have any screenshots or additional context, feel free to mention that during your chat, as it might clarify your situation further. Finally, once you've received assistance, make sure to thank the representative before wrapping up the chat. Trust me, a little courtesy goes a long way. So there you have it. That's how you can contact Google AdSense support and get the help you need. Remember, don't shy away from reaching out for support if you encounter any issues. It's there to help you succeed. If you found this guide useful, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this. And don't forget to like the video to help others find this information too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you